Good morning, good morning. Good.
Stand by.
Name.
You or Michael Osborne?
One
Miss
and only.
Gasper? Miss Gasper. All right. What does it take to get this thing to trial?
We need to share discovery.
You need to share you and he, or you and he?
We need
Well,
to.
I need to network with the record because you're not doing right. You
Ma'am,
know that.
sir. This isn't criticism day.
Next time we
I'm
got
sorry.
into
Go home. You're in.
No,
You can't speak over with. Go home.
Judge,
You
I'm
did it
about
again.
to have you.
You did it again.
You know
I'm out. That's rude.
You
You can't. Don't do that. We had that last time, and you were awfully rude, and you're still rude. Yes, Mr. Rude. Gosh bless you.
Judge, for the record, the last time that this was set, there was an attorney on the case, so we just need to schedule a time to get him discovery. This was his first pro se appearance.
What do you have to do? What can you do to get that?
We'll just need to coordinate a time with the jail to bring him over to view the discovery in this case. We just haven't had a chance to do that yet.
Can you do it this week?
Potentially, it depends on if I'm going to be in trial or not. But we will get it done
Okay.
so that we can proceed.
Almost that one. No, over here.
You're Mr. Terrell Hopkins?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here in cause 22-39026, there's a motion to revoke unadjudicated probation for unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. You were placed on 10 years deferred of unadjudicated probation a few years ago now. This is going on 4 years. Anyway, this states they filed this because you failed to report to the probation office. This states on or about October 21st, the year was 20,225. We gotta fix that. Did I miss something or did a few years pass?
Yes.
Okay. And then November 3rd of 2025, which was more or less realistic, December, January. So you were missing these monthly and you weren't reporting, which is the most important thing to do is to report, or else you're not on supervision, which is what this is all about. And people think that's not important, but it is the most important thing. There's nothing we can do to help fix this mess that you got yourself into because of your inattendance. You got I'm looking at a 1988 robbery conviction in Michigan. Then you have the illegal possession of a firearm, and it states that you have that conviction out of another conviction out of Oakland County for illegal possession of a controlled substance back in 2010. So you've got that 88 robbery, then the 2010, and then now this new charge, which is a third degree felony in paragraph 1. But because of paragraph 2, that robbery conviction, the way they pled it, this third degree felony is enhanced to a second degree felony. So you're looking at up to 20 years in prison if convicted. All right. And you're not eligible for probation in front of a jury if you try this. So where are we on this?
Just where we were, I know the offer was 4 years, but I believe we came to court on the 1st. And I think the motion to revoke hadn't been filed yet. And I think you reduced his bond to $10,000 because he reduced the bond. And I believe the state has filed a motion to revoke what you said on 3rd, right? 3rd or 4th.
Yes, this was filed on June 3rd.
It was filed on June 3rd after our court date on the 1st. So what I guess where I am with him right now, Judge, is
what'd you like to do today? It's early. What? He's sitting in jail. This ought to be something y'all might be able to work out, but maybe not. I don't know. I just want to give you a few weeks to do that.
that's perfect. We'll try to put it together.
2 weeks good?
Perfect.
Yeah, okay. Let's see where we are, sir.
How long ago?
Sir?
Personal problems, bonds?
No, sir. Not when you're looking at this. These multiple charges from the past and now. And you're looking at. The failing to report.
I reported, Your Honor.
This, well, the state says you didn't on October 21st, November 3rd, December 5th, January 6th. Which they're monthly reported.
I was in a rehab. She knows this.
Well, it's not, this isn't the hearing on the debate. Yeah.
Sorry.
Judge, it was my understanding from speaking with probation that he was ordered to go to safety after the administrative hearing and then did not report to safety, which is why we went ahead and filed the
That
MTRP.
what happened?
Yes.
Okay, why didn't you report to safety?
Because I take certain, like I was telling you, and then she told me it was 6 months to go to St. Pete, right? And then I was informed that until you take that medication, you can't just do 6 months. You would have to do
Who
6.
told you that? Who told you about the medication?
Everybody knows this.
Everybody?
They says.
Oh, these people are giving
You do 9 months of St.
medical
Pete.
advice to you who you don't know?
It's a law that you got.
I know what the law is.
It's 9 months of St. Pete plus
Oh,
3 months.
I know all of this.
Plus 3 months and a halfway house.
Now, I know that, here's the problem, once again, is you failed to report, which is the most important thing to do. That's what this states, and that's what this hearing is going to be all about, is your failure to report on all these months. That's since October. I mean, you were essentially, we call that an abscondent. You were on your own probation, which really shouldn't be. You're supposed to be supervised. And if you don't report, you can't be supervised. It's the most important thing. That's why it's always, I mean, in your probation order, you remember receiving that. Report is directed right at the top. You're supposed to report at least every month. And we had to go find you somewhere. And that's what this hearing is all about. When can you do it? All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Super.
Let me talk.